Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I have been uploading various kind of information regarding different kind of flowers. Today I'm gonna give a short tour of our nursery and will show you some of the plants that are right now at nursery. So my digitalis have already finished blooming, almost up. Some of my jets are coming up nicely. They are shaping up for the bonsai. And here is my Silujani Nishida and other orchids. Out here, my Oncidium, they've also started giving up buds. You can see, and this is my Amputera procera, and all of these plants are here. Now, this is my favorite part for the time being, as my geraniums are budding up profusely. I will not say they are blooming profusely, but they are budding up profusely, and they are doing very well in the nursery. So this year we have added few more varieties, and one of the not old, but for us, one of the best variety is this one, the Americana orchid is there, and along with Americana orchid there are other varieties, which is this is oral orange is there, oral orange is there, vegetal there, Barbara Hines, another wonderful variety with a lot of blooms in it. And the most loving varieties is this one. I love this variety very much. This is my Danish Sativa. It's a very almost like a rose variety. It blooms like a rose, you can see. So this is our favorite variety among the geraniums at the moment. There are new varieties which are doing good. Here we have Agilia's mother plant. Sorry, let me show you the good version of Agilia's. Okay, so this is Lara Harmony, another orange color geranium which just started blooming. This is another new variety. This is Mallorca. This is Pink Rosita. Here I have another new variety. I forgot its name. Oh, it's Lara. What's your name? What's your name, baby? What's your name? ID. What is his ID? Okay. No, actually this is Mallorca. Let me see this one. Oh, this is Rosita. This is Rosita. That means this is magenta. Okay. This is magenta double. This is Rosita, and this is Mallorca. My Rosmore, that is yellow geranium, it is about to bloom. And you can see my Azaleas mother plants. They are very healthy. They are doing very well, and within few days we will take their cuttings and will keep them outside so that the rain may wet them and new branches come out. So these are my azaleas at the moment. Now these are the new few varieties which we have added in geraniums. There is orange red ivy, marble red is there, carnation is there, orange rosebud is there, trumps is there, white stone. So all of the more varieties, new varieties we have added in our collections. Okay. Now zinnia are also almost over with the flowering. They have done very well and have done well till now. So zinnia is almost flowering. We have few left out calendars which we kept as for the mother plant. Rest of them all got sold out, so they are also blooming well. Now here we have the chrysanthemum sprays which we are getting ready for the exhibition 2023 on October at Darjeeling Flower Festival. So these are our spray varieties of chrysanthemum. Along with spray varieties, we have ornithogalum, which are about to get ready for the cut flowers, and the dahlias mother plants. We have stopped taking cuttings from this section of dahlias, so they are giving up buds. Okay, and from this section we were still taking the cuttings. Now from this also we will stop taking cuttings. So for this year it's over for dahlia, and next year we will again take the cuttings. let's go to the upper house. Here are our dahlias. The first batch cuttings, they are getting ready, and we have already potted them. Some of the few left out soy varieties of chrysanthemum, not very good health. New cuttings are getting ready. They will be ready by this week, and these are strictly for our own garden, not for sale. After this, we will have the cuttings which will be kept for the sale. Now these are some of our cactus, okay, including Christmas cactus, some of the fuchsia mother plant which are blooming up nicely. We have here ivy geraniums blooming nicely. Around here you can see lots and lots of bloom out here. Lots and lots of bloom geraniums. Okay, and this is especially very special rosy geranium, and it's blooming very well. And deep red, or you can say a maroon red rather, ivy geranium, and this one is a bicolor geranium. This one is a bicolor geranium.